yourself the gift of knowledge through this holiday season in considering what loan options you have for purchasing a house in 2022. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, and here's 3 questions we get on a common basis, and I thought it might be helpful for you as you jump into starting this process of getting pre-approved for your new home. First of all, how far in advance can I apply for a loan? Well, as soon as you're ready to start looking at homes, you should have that already in place because a seller will not consider your offer typically unless you have the funding resources to back the purchase as well. Now, pre-approvals or approval letters are good for 90 days, so you have plenty of time to find a home. And if for some reason in that 90 days you do not have a home that you want to purchase yet, you can just have that process renewed for a new pre-approval or approval letter. Do I need to put 20% down on a house? You do not have to put 20% down on a house. Just know that less than 20% makes you have private mortgage insurance. Curious how that could affect your monthly payments or what you'll bring to closing? We'd be happy to sit down and crunch those numbers for you. And lastly, if you just got a new job, is that going to impact your mortgage? Well, that's a great question, and it really depends on your job. Is it in the same field? Have you had a job similar before? When will your first paycheck be? Are you commission or salary? So those are wonderful things for us to make sure before we start looking at houses that we know you qualify, or the time frame we need to wait before looking at houses. Any more questions on this process or want more details on purchasing a home? We love meeting with new buyers and taking you through the process to find the one that's right for you while minimizing surprises along the way in making sure your finances are all in place, ready to go step by step. Interested? Contact today with text or call 913-449-1950. The gift of knowledge is just having options, and we look forward to sharing with you so you can choose what timing is best.